In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HTML in Google Chrome and save it locally. This can be especially handy if you need to make quick edits or experiment with code changes without altering the live website. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open the page in Chrome. Navigate to the specific web page you wish to edit. This could be any site you're working on, or simply one you're interested in making some tweaks to. Next, you'll need to open the developer tools. You can do this by pressing the F12 key on your keyboard, which is a quick shortcut. Alternatively, you can right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect from the context menu that appears. This action will bring up the Developer Tools panel, which is where all the magic happens. Once you have the Developer Tools panel open, make sure the Elements tab is selected. This tab displays the HTML structure of the page and allows you to explore and edit the underlying code. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll spend most of your time during this process. Now, it's time to find the HTML that you want to edit. Right-click on the tag, which should be at the top of the code section. From the context menu, select Edit as HTML. This allows you to make broad changes to the HTML structure of the page. If you prefer to pinpoint specific elements, right-click directly on the element you wish to modify on the page and choose Inspect. Once you've located the desired line of code in the Elements tab, you can double-click it to edit text or modify its attributes directly. After you've made the necessary changes to the HTML, it's crucial to save them for future reference or use. Right-click on the tag once more and navigate to Copy in the context menu, followed by Copy Outer HTML. This action will ensure you've got all your edits captured accurately. Now that you've copied the HTML, the next step is to open a text editor. You can use any basic editor like Notepad or Notepad++, or if you're seeking more advanced features, programs like Visual Studio Code are perfectly suited for this task. Within your selected text editor, paste the HTML code that you've copied. It will look different outside of Chrome's developer tools, but rest assured, this is your edited HTML. The final step is to save this file. Be sure to save it with a .html extension, such as myeditedpage.html, to ensure it functions correctly when opened as a web page. And there you have it. You've successfully edited HTML in Chrome and saved it locally for your use. This process is invaluable for web developers and those learning HTML alike, offering a sandbox environment to test and learn.